Good afternoon, classmates. My name is Francisco Mendez. I am 29 years old. I was born here in Bogota. I live in Bogota with my wife and I have a beautiful baby girl. I work as a support analyst in a technology company in the United States. In my free time, I like to play video games and I like to play soccer too. I don't like when people do not read on time and when my football team loses. The park, the lake or Los Novios Park. It is located on the north side of Avenue Street 63. Classmates, I invite you to meet this place because first, in this lake live dogs and fish. Second, people can sail on inflatable boats, whether bicycles or kayaks. Third, also it's possible to observe birds. Friends, in this park it is possible to enjoy nature. People can run, read, enjoy with their pets. Classmates, I hope that you will know this park because it is in an excellent plan to do with the family. Goodbye.